everybody, welcome to my channel. And yes, I slept in this morning. It's my one day only a week where I get to actually sleep in and enjoy the day. But I'm here to share with you guys coupons to print on coupons.com. Now I actually print my coupons on swagbucks.com. You have to do this on your computer only, but you guys get points for every coupon that you print. I show you guys this every single week. I also show you guys coupons that I print. Some of you guys said that you don't like it when I do deals, when I show you coupons that are no longer available. Well, I do show you coupons that I print. So if you guys don't print them, I can't control that. But just giving you guys a heads up. Now, there's not a lot of new coupons that popped up. A lot of coupons have been resetting lately. I've been printing off a lot of resetting ones, but here, this one reset, it's the Vino Baby. I'm printing off that one, the Aqua Fresh reset. Now here's some Carmex Super Creme Lip Butter. I'm going to print that off because I have a feeling there might be a deal with that in the future. I'm just printing a lot of these off because these are all ones that reset. Now the ones that reset or ones that are new are Suave Kids. Now, I know these lasted longer than the ones that we got in the newspaper, so I print those off just for backup in case there's like a deal. Vaseline, we have a $1 off coupon. Parodontics, I don't think I need that coupon, so I'm not printing that off. I think the Snuggle coupon's a new one. The 75 cents off of the Baby Dove is a new one. We got Cetaphil, L'Oreal Paris skincare. I really like that product, so if I can find a good deal with that. All laundry detergent, that's a great coupon for $1. Here we got Suave, save $1 when you buy one Suave deodorant, so we got that. Biotine is a $1.75 off coupon. Here we got Motrin for $1.50 off, Sensodyne, Pronamel. Otherwise, I think those are the only new coupons to print. Let's see what still coupons are available in case you guys haven't had a chance to print a lot of them off. Sorry, I'm going a little too fast, but you guys can check. Let's see, we're almost to the bottom. So the ones that you guys can still print off is the $4 off Listerine, Snickers if you guys haven't already. Definitely print off this Revlon one if you can. CoverGirl, Pillsbury, Rimmel Eye, Dial, Thermacare, Listerine, Johnson, Dentex. So those are all the ones that looks like all the Scott's paper towels and toilet paper all went bye-bye. So giving you guys a heads up on that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.